All right, today I'm going to show you guys how to sharpen your own lawnmower blades. Super simple, easy concept to do. Don't need to take it to a place to have them put it on a machine to do it. You can do this at home. You get yourself a flat file, get yourself a nice sturdy table, use your palm, have the lip just right over the edge, push down. Then we're just going to start at a kind of the same angle. And we're going to go all the way down. And we're going to tap our file out, flip it over. Takes a little bit of work, but as you can see, it's getting sharper. This one's pretty beat up, so we're going to have to really take some metal off it to get it back where it needs to be. So we'll just keep at it. Then we'll take our backside. Bring that down to a 0.2. Use this with a pretty nice edge. Now this is a worn out Harbor Freight flat file. If you had a good flat file, this thing would be really, really nice and sharp. That's pretty much how you do it. You can see the before and after. It's pretty sharp. I'm going to go a little bit more with the angle. At the end. Nice finishing stroke. That side's good to go. I like to do the back side first, just to get any burrs off. Now this is also wet, that's why it's not working as good either, but I just clean the blade, that's why it's a little wet. Take a little break. If you have a better file, like I said, this would go a lot faster. But I just got a cheap Harbor Freight file that's been thoroughly worn. Use what you got. That end's kind of rough. It's getting there. It's not fully where I want it yet. Better. It's getting there. Normally I don't profile the back. On this one we're going to profile the back down. Now we're sharp. That's sharp. It's not professional, but it's better than it was. And that's a motto I like to go by. Things don't have to be perfect. They just gotta be better than they were. So go ahead and get this put back on the machine. A lot of people say you gotta balance these. You know, they'll stick something through here and, you know, make sure it balances. For example, we'll take a stick or something, put it through here and make sure it's even on both sides. As you can see, as long as you don't take too much time on one corner, you're pretty much going to be perfectly balanced. And I'll say we tip it one way more than the other. Let's see if it comes back. Yep. So this one's pretty balanced. As you can see, it sits right in the middle. So this can go back on the machine and the customer can pick it up whenever they're ready. Hope you guys learned a little something for this. Hope you guys are able to take away something and make this repair affordable and easy. At that price is zero, more or less, is what I'm referring to. So hope this helps people and saves people from spending money, and small engine shops taking people for a run when it comes to the basic stuff like blade sharpening. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. More content will be coming very soon. Thanks for watching.